Even Corona can't stop this Nation Jamaican customer from taking delivery of our brand new Honda Fit today. She determined that she have to get it today. Jesus Christ! Watch her! Watch her! Watch her! She determined that she have to get the car today. Eh? She determined. Tell them about the Nation Jamaica and the good service they get. What you at the door for?
Yes. I'm not gonna lie.
Tell them about the service they get. I want them to come over by.
Very professional, very patient.
and take a lot of phone calls.
Yeah, I answer every call.
Alright. Alright, drive out. Not a happy customer, you know, that's how we do it. Corona can't stop we. We're still doing business. See there? Nice Honda Fit and 16-inch rims. Set up everything for the customer just the way she wants it. Right? Having our first drive. Yep. Ah, set and ready.
Yeah, everything's so brief.
Huh? Alright, go on. Happy customer.